Hi everyone and welcome back to Shqipify. In today's video, we're going to have a sort of a different format for the lesson. I'm going to use the free textbook Të mësojmë gjuhën amtare, which you can find in a link in the description below. It's from Botime për Diasporën Shqiptare, publishings for the Albanian diaspora. And I thought this page was a good material for us to use. This is a legend, Gjergjeles Alia, an Albanian legend. We're going to read it. I'm going to first read it only in Albanian, so you can try to understand the words I'm saying. Then we're going to go through the exercises. Exercise number 2, I'm going to go through each adjective and translate them. Then I'm also going to give you a little homework. So let's start right away. Okay, so first I'm going to read it. Please pay attention. Gjergjeles Alia, legend. Trim mbi trima kishte qenë gjithmonë Gjergjeles Alia. Të gjithë armiqt ai kishte shtrirë për tokë, pa frymë. Por në luftrat e shumta, trimi ynë kishte marrë 9 plagë në trup dhe kishte 9 vjet i sëmurë. Motra i rinte dit e natë mbi krye. Ai duronte si burr dhembjet e plagëve. Vitin e 9 doli nga deti një bajloz i zi, trim i fort, më i lig nga të gjithë bajlozët e tjerë. Bajlozi vriste dit për dit, digjte javë për javë një krahin. Gjergjeles Alia s'dinte gjë. Askush s'vinte t'i kërkonte ndihmë, sepse e dinte se s'ngrihej dot që të dilte as te pragu i derës. Kur i erdhi radha shtëpisë së Gjergjit, motra qau me lot tha: "Pse vallë shembet kjo kull të na zër brenda të vdekur? Vdekja është më e ëmbël, moje zeza nën, se sa jeta pa nder." Gjergji i tha: "Pse qanë, moj motër? Pse ma thyen kaq fort zemrën?" Atëherë, ajo i tregoi për bajlozin. Gjergji i harroi të 9 plagët e tij, u ngrit e doli të luftonte bajlozin e zi. Bajlozi ishte veshur me parzmore të rënda hekuri, kish vënë në kokë për krenare çeliku e kishte shpatë të gjatë. Edhe kalin e kish ngarkuar me pllaka hekuri. Tundej dheu ku shkelte. Sapo e pa Gjergji, thirri: "Bëhu gati bajloz, se të ka ardhur dita e fundit. Këtu i thonë Gjergjeles Alia." I lëshuan kuajt vrap në fushën e luftës, tym më tym. Gjergji e hodhi topuzin e vet dhe e qëlloi bajlozin në ball. Bajlozi vdiq me njëherë. Pasi e vrau bajlozin e zi, trimi u kthye fitimtar në shtëpi. Alright, now we will translate each sentence together. Trim mbi trima kishte qenë gjithmonë Gjergjeles Alia. Valiant of valiants, literally valiant upon valiant, had been always Gjergjeles Alia. So Gjergjeles Alia had always been valiant of valiants, brave upon brave men. Të gjithë armiqt ai I kishte shtrirë për tokë pa frymë. All enemies he had put down on the ground without breath. Por në luftrat e shumta, trimi ynë kishte marrë 9 plagë në trup dhe kishte 9 vjet I sëmurë. But in the multiple wars, our valiant had received 9 plagues or 9 wounds in the body and had 9 years sick. Had been sick for 9 years. Motra I rinte dit e nat mbi krye. His sister would stay day and night on his head, meaning taking care of him. Ai I duronte si burr dhembjet e plagëve. He would endure as a man the pains of the wounds. Vitin e 9 doli nga deti një bajloz I ri, trimi fort, më I lig nga të gjithë bajlozët e tjerë. In the 9th year came out from the sea a black scoundrel. Scoundrel is sort of a mythological creature here, and it says a strong, valiant man, more evil from all the other scoundrels. The scoundrel would kill day after day, would burn week after week an area. Gjergj e Lezalia didn't know anything. No one would come to ask him for help because they knew that he could not get up in order to go out, not even to the threshold of the door. Kur I erdhi radha shtëpisë së Gjergjit, when the turn came to the house of Gjergj, Motra, the sister, qau me lot, cried with tears, and said, tha, pse val s'shembet kjo kull të na zër brenda të vdekur? Oh, why? Pse val is like, I wonder why. This tower does not get ruined in order to catch us or trap us inside dead. Vdekja është më e ëmbël, më e zezanën, se sa jeta pander. Death is sweeter, O my mother, or O my lamenting mother, than life without honor. And this sentence right here is technically the moral of the legend, of the story. Gjergji I tha, Gjergji told her, pse qan moj moter? Why are you crying, O sister? Pse ma thyen kaq fort zemrën? Why do you break my heart this much, kaq fort? Or this strongly, literally. Atëherë ajo I tregoi për bajlozin. Then she told him about the scoundrel. Gjergji I harroi të 9 plagët e tij, u ngrit e doli të luftonte bajlozin e zi. Gjergji forgot all of his 9 wounds, got up and went out to fight the black scoundrel. Bajlozi ishte veshur me parzmore të rënda hekuri. The scoundrel was wearing heavy iron armor. Kish vënë në kokë për krenare çeliku. He had put on his head a steel helmet. E kishte shpatë të gjatë. E short for the, and he had a long sword. Edhe kalin e kish ngarkuar me pllaka hekuri. Even his horse he had loaded with an iron plate. Tundej dheu ku shkelte. The soil where he would tread or walk would shake. Sapo e pa Gjergji, thiri. As soon as Gjergji saw him, he called, Bëhu gati bajloz. Get ready bajloz. Get ready scoundrel. Se të ka ardhur dita e fundit. Se short for sepse here, because the last day has come upon you. Këtu I thon Gjergj e Lezalia. Here they say to it Gjergj e Lezalia, or here it is called Gjergj e Lezalia. I lëshuan kuajt vrap në fushën e luftës tym më tym. They released their horses running in the field of the battle, smoke after smoke, or smoke to smoke. Sort of an expression here, the image of the smoke from the running of the horses. They are going head to head, basically. Gjergji e hodhi topuzin e vet dhe e qëlloi bajlozin në ball. Gjergji threw his mace. Mace is like this heavy club, typically having a metal head and spikes, like in the movies. Gjergji threw his mace and hit the scoundrel on his forehead. Bajlozi vdiq me njëherë. The scoundrel died immediately. Pasi e vrau Bajlozin e zi, after he killed the black scoundrel, Trimi u kthye fitimtar në shtëpi. The valiant, meaning Gjergje Lezalia, returned victorious at home. They say it's a përshtatje, an adaptation. Okay, this is not like the word-for-word legend as it is found in Mitrosh Kuteli's collection, but it's a përshtatje, an adaptation for learners. Very well. Now we'll skip number 1. Number 1 will be your homework. So, ritrego legjenden me fjalet e tua. Retell the legend with your own words. If you can please go back to listening. Maybe you can listen it once or twice. And then if you need, you can also go to the translation and tell me in the comments the legend with your own words. Obviously not the whole thing, maybe about 3 or 4 sentences like Gjergje Lezalia had been sick for 9 years, the new scoundrel came, they fought, Gjergje Lezalia was victorious. Pretty much something like that. This way you can practice your Albanian also in writing and also listening based on what you're listening and receiving as information, so there's a whole good practice there. Number 2, diskuto në klas, discuss in class. This is our class right here. Cili nga personazhet ju pëlqen? Which of the characters do you like? And why? Pse? Let's see their characteristics. Gjergji është trim. Gjergji is valiant. Luftëtar, warrior, luftëtar, comes from luft, which is a war. I ndershëm, honest, an honest man. I drejt, a just man, righteous. I zoti, skilled, he is skilled. Bajlozi, the scoundrel, on the other hand, is frikacak, a coward. I pandershëm, dishonest. I ndershëm, honest. I pandershëm, dishonest. I pa shpirt, cruel. You see the root shpirt here means soul. I can't highlight it. So shpirt is soul, I pa shpirt without a soul. So that's our word for being cruel. I pa drejt, unrighteous or not fair or unjust. I drejt, just and righteous. I pa drejt, unjust, unrighteous. And also I zoti, he is skilled. Remember, he is the greatest of the evil scoundrels. Alright, so my choice, zgjedhja ime, është Gjergji. Gjergje Lezalia është trim, luftëtar, i ndershëm, i drejt, i zoti. Ai ka të gjitha cilësitë më të mira. He has all the best qualities. Kurse Bajlozi është frikacak, i pandershëm, i pa shpirt, i pa drejt, ka shumë pa. He has many adjectives. So he has many bad qualities. So I choose Gjergji. Kë zgjedh ti? Which one do you choose? Write a sentence in the comments saying, I choose Gjergji or Bajlozi because, and give me the reason why. Alright, so that's pretty much our lesson for today. I hope you liked this new format. I'll probably use more of these materials as they are free. As I said, if you want the whole free resource, I will link the website in the description. As always, if you're serious about getting fluent in Albanian with one-on-one tutoring, please don't hesitate to send me an email at shqipify@gmail.com. Please consider to also become a member of the channel in order to support my work and also get free access to many more materials, such as the Slow Albanian podcast or the reading of books with both English and Albanian displayed. Make sure to subscribe if you still haven't, and I will see you in our next video. Stay tuned!